Welcome everyone. Today, we're going to talk about something that may seem very small, but it can completely change the direction of your life. Be careful. Here are 8 hard truths everyone should know, but no one really wants to tell you. Number 1. Hard work. Hard work doesn't always guarantee success. Along with working hard, you need to focus more on smart decisions and consistency. Number 2. Time. Time waits for no one. So whatever you can do today, build the habit of finishing it today. Tomorrow might not offer you the same opportunity. Number 3. Goal. Not everyone wants what's best for you. So instead of trying to please everyone, stay focused on your own goals. Number 4. Your comfort zone slowly makes you weaker. Challenge yourself from time to time, because real growth often comes from uncomfortable situations. Number 5. There's no such thing as the perfect time. Right now is your best time. So don't wait, start today. Number 6. Money isn't everything. But without money, many things become difficult. So along with earning, focus on building skills and creating value. Number 7. You are your own biggest enemy, and your own best friend. Change your mindset and keep upgrading yourself constantly. Number 8. People don't remember what you say, they remember your results. So talk less, and prove it through your actions. In the end, remember this, success isn't just about hard work. It's about smart decisions and consistency. Value your time, focus on your goals, step your comfort zone, build your skills, and let your actions speak louder than your words.